Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Electrical Innovations web channel. I am your host, Jordan, and today we are opening up one of the most important and most misunderstood parts of your home electrical system, the electrical panel. Most people never even look inside it, and that's really a good thing. But understanding what's in there helps you spot problems, plan upgrades, and keep your home safe. So let's take a deeper look at how your panel works and what every homeowner should know. When electricity enters your home, it comes in through the meter and into the top of your panel. This is your main service power. It feeds everything else inside the panel. You won't see bare wires here. They're usually covered or behind a shield for safety. Depending on your home, this service may be 100 amps, 150 amps, or even 200 amps. Your service size determines how much power your home can safely use at one time. At the top of your panel, you'll find the main breaker. This is the master switch for your entire home. If you turn this off, every circuit in the house loses power. It also protects your home from drawing more current than the service can safely handle. If your main breaker trips, that's a sign your home may be overloaded or the panel needs attention. Behind the breakers are two metal bars called bus bars. These bars carry power from the main breaker to all the individual circuits. Every breaker in the panel clips onto these bars to pick up power. If the bus bars are corroded or damaged or burned, the panel needs attention right away. Burned bus bars are one of the biggest signs of a failing panel, especially in older brands like Federal Pacific or Zinsco. The next part we're going to discuss is the circuit breakers. Each breaker controls one circuit in your home, like lights, outlets, appliances, you name it. Breakers trip when there's an overloaded or a short in the circuit. That trip is what protects your wiring from overheating. Modern homes may also have AFCI breakers, GFCI breakers, or dual function breakers for added protection. If a breaker feels loose, won't reset, or trips constantly, that's a sign that the circuit needs to be checked. On one side of the panel, you'll see a metal strip with a lot of white wires connected to it. That's the neutral bar. Neutral wires carry the electricity back to the panel to complete the circuit. Every 120-volt circuit has one. If you see loose neutrals, or double tapped neutrals, or corrosion, those are issues that need to be addressed. You'll also see a similar bar with bare copper or green wires, and that's the ground bar. Ground wires don't normally carry current. They're there for safety. If something goes wrong, like a short to metal, the ground wire gives electricity a safe path back to the panel so the breaker can trip. Proper grounding is one of the most important safety features in your entire home. You won't see any fuses, any transformers, or any extra power stored inside the panel. Panels don't store electricity, they simply distribute it and protect the wiring. If you see anything that looks burned, melted, or modified, that's a red flag. Here are other things to look for when inspecting your panel for potential issues. If you notice burn marks, rust, buzzing, loose breakers, a warm panel cover, or a burning smell, it's time for a professional inspection. Panels should also be checked when you add major appliances, install an EV charger, finish a basement, or remodel your home. Anytime your electrical demand increases, your panel needs to be evaluated. So that's what's actually inside your electrical panel. It's the heart of your home's electrical system. And when it's working properly, you never have to think about it. But when it's outdated, overloaded, or damaged, it can become a major safety risk. If you're unsure about the condition of your panel, or if you're planning upgrades, we can take a look and make sure everything is safe and up to code. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.